Hello friends, good morning. I'm your crypto sats. So today we are gonna see the our previous days and today's trade setups on Forex using the SAT strategy on 1 hour time frame. So you guys get a hold of the strategy too. So let's start with first AUD. We held a short on that day in my previous video. At this point of time we have stochastic trend red background, Martin trend meter 3 bars red, which is a valid short signal. So we short here taking the previous structures high, which is this, and the trade is still in the run. It dumped but it just missed few pips. It missed few pips for targets, so nothing changes in here. So we are already short and our position is still open. So let's view on next AUDCHF. We had a short signal like yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday we had a short signal. So actually I thought of making a video yesterday for the continuation, but sorry guys, I was held up with some work, some personal work, so I couldn't make the video. That's why I have come with the video up now. So we had a short over here because in this case we have Martin stochastic trend red background, Martin trend meter 3 bars red, which is a valid short signal, and we short and we take the stop loss as previous structures high. From there we take 1-to-1 ratio for our targets. So in this case this is our previous structures high, which is this one, 1.25%. Oh well, this trade is yet to complete, but we are in profits anyways. So we just went but missed by few pips, and let's hold on this to this trade, which is a good short signal. Okay, so let's move on to next one, AUDJPY. So first short was triggered over here, which is this point. Shorting at the open of the next candle, stop loss on previous structures high, 1.25%, and boom, this was a perfect target hit. So this was a perfect trade. So this signal was done, so we have to wait for a new signal which is yet to come. Waiting either a green long or short signal. AUDJPY guys, have a note on it. We might see a, but right now we are facing, oh sorry, right now we are facing bit resistance over here. Let's see what signal we get to take a trade. Let's move on to next one, AUDSGD. No signal as of now. Yeah, we had a short signal here, this particular candle, all red, good to go for a short on the open of the next candle. Stop loss previous structures high, which one, or if you ignore that wick you can test it here or here, anyway it doesn't matter. 0.64, boom, bingo, the trade was done, and that was really very quick. So you just got your profits in next 2 hours, which is a very good trade it was. Okay, so and as of now, so this short was complete and we are waiting for a next signal to take the trade. So let's move on to the next one, AUDUSD. AUDUSD, we had a short over here. Let's review that. That was yesterday's signal, 9th June. So we'll review on that signal first, because we last video, in my previous video, we were looking at 8th June, which is around here, and we are looking for 9th June yesterday's structure. So I'll take this off, and we got a short at the open of the next candle. Previous structure high somewhere over here, 1.36%. Well, that's a very big target. So this was a pretty good resistance. We'll ignore that wick and we'll lower our stop loss. So 1.15%, and this trade is still on. So let's wait for this for to complete. So let's move on to next one. CAD good. We had a short over here yesterday. 9th June. Yeah, so shorting here. 1 to 1 X previous structures high, so 0.49%, and boom, this was a perfect trade. We guys took this shot in my live channel, and I posted my results also. So this shot was successful, so I'll remove this. So now we are yet to get a short signal, waiting for this one bar to turn red, and once the candle closes in red, we'll take a shot in this one. So nice setup is forming on CAD CHF. So let's move on to next one, CAD JPY. This same as well, we had a shot over here. This one is 8th June, so we were already short, I believe. So we'll look at 9th June. So we'll look at 9th June, so it gives a good continuity for us. So we had a short signal here, short at the open of the next candle. What would you do here? Because your previous 8 bars are like a bit choppy and very near, so I will consider taking the previous structures high, which is this one, 0.97. Well, boom, the target's hit. So in this case you can take the previous structures either this or this. Even this you can take, which is a good resistance over here. So 1.19%, let's see if that's hit. Even that's hit. So this is a perfect strategy, guys. This is a perfect strategy. Oh wait, currently we are about to get a short signal, which is here. Let's wait for the signal to take. So we take a shot, and we'll also get a confluence, a very good confluence on break of this support, which was acting for a long time. And for this trade setup, we also have a head and shoulders pattern, which is, one second, I'll show you. This is left shoulder, head, and we got a right shoulder. So once break of this neckline, we can have a targets around which is somewhere over here. Nice confluence over there. So we have a support. We'll place our targets above that. So this could be a target for the short if once we get a short signal target. So this will be our stop loss. From there we can have this trade, a good trade, and we are already short in our, I'll show you guys. Come on. We just took a shot, guys. I'll show you. Yeah, Euro JPY, we got an head and shoulders, we took a shot, and it's currently running. So let's move on to this. Okay, so we are waiting for a short signal on CAD JPY. If you get a short signal, guys, you can take this shot. Let's move on to next one, CHF JPY. So on 8th June, we shorted over here seeing this signal, and we marked our targets over here, which was target hit. So this, I'm removing this, so this was a perfect target hit, and we got a short signal over here. Yeah, so guys, if you have missed it, you can take it now. At this point we have a short signal, all red in this candle. So we short at the open of the next candle, so I believe I would take this as a short signal. and my stop loss previous structures high 0.48%. Yeah, so this is our trade, waiting for this trade to complete, and we are short in this CHFJPY. So let's move on to the next one, Euro AUD. So we shorted here, it went, triggered our targets, and then back up. So that's a best thing of taking 1-to-1 ratio of the previous structures high. With this strategy you will get maximum win, guys. You will get maximum win. So this trade was perfect. So let's move on to the next one. Yesterday, so we had a long over here, all green, so that's a perfect long signal. Logging here, so I will change it to green. Stop loss either this you can take, because already it's a very big stop loss. So I would take this one from the 1-to-1 x 0.71. It just missed by few points. Yeah, so this is our trade setup for Euro AUD. So let's wait for this to complete. So you will get to see on my next video on the continuation. So I will make a continue. So into June, yeah, we had a long signal here. Oh, that was a top. Now my signal is a signal, so previous structure is low. There you go, 1-to-1 ratio. So this trade is still open yet, so we'll come back tomorrow to see how this went up. So moving on to the next, Euro HKD. We took this short yesterday, this short in my light channel, and it was obvious target hit. So 9th June we had a long signal here, that is yesterday, long at the open of the next candle, which is here. Stop loss previous structure is low, 0.97%. Alright, so this trade is running, ongoing trade, so waiting for the targets to hit. So I'll update you tomorrow on this trade as well. Euro JPY, cool. We had a short signal over here, which we took on 8th of June in my previous video, and we kept our targets this, and that was a perfect target hit. So this trade was successful. Whatever trades we took on 8th June, which I showed you here, almost every single trade was a target hit, guys. So we have a short signal over here, guys. So if you wish to take this, you can take. So it's hot right now, so short. Previous structures high, which is either this or this. Never mind, I'll take this. So we have a nice confluence of resistance. So 0.56%. So these are my targets for this trade. So you can take this trade, guys, whoever using Martin indicators. So because you know when to take a trade. So in here we had a long signal, Euro NZD. And yeah, you may have a doubt like we have missed this impulsive way, why we didn't get this signal over here. So this is one more strategy I'll teach you later. Once you get hold on this strategy, I'll teach you the next one, which we will use the trend meter, because trend meter is a leading indicator. It will show you signals first. So example, if you see the trend meter when it turned 3 bars green at this point, so you can see we got our entry over here at the right very closely. So if you want to catch this impulsive wave, also if you go to smaller time frames like 15 minutes, you would have long signal very nearly, like at this play at this point of time you have the long signal. So first we'll go get used to 1 hour time frame, so we'll go to the next one. We'll go for the shorter time frames later. So we have a long signal over here like yesterday, so we longed on the top. But as far as you have these indicators, there's nothing to worry because you will win. So previous structure is low, which is quite long, so we'll count the 8 candles. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is a stop loss 1.10%, and my targets are this. So we'll come back tomorrow to review this trade. So let's move on to next one, Euro USD. Well, this was a stop hit, the first stop hit totally. So we had a short over here, we shorted, of course. It went up, it came down, but it missed our targets. So what went wrong? Nothing went wrong, guys. This was a perfect stop loss hit, so I accept this was a stop hit. So our stop loss hit, and next we have a long signal after our stop loss hit to recover our losses. So we long here. Previous structure is low. Alright, this is our targets and trades for Euro USD. So let's come back tomorrow to view how this trade went long. So GBP CHF, so we are getting a short signal very soon, but you must be already short because we had a signal yesterday itself if you are using these indicators and this strategy. So we have a short over here, and well, this was a flag pattern, which is a very good trade, and I'm gonna take this trade now, measuring this targets. So I'll show you a trade setup on this. So see this, guys, we have a nice bear flag, breakout done, breakdown done, and we are about to get the red short signal. So you can take this trade. My targets for this trade would be like taking this. My targets would be around here, so I'll take the confluence of this support over here, which is, so we have a good support over there. So this will be my targets for the short. Let's mark it. So we are already short, by the way, like if you are using these indicators, previous structures high 0.86. well, that's perfect, that short was perfect. So we would just wait for this trade to get complete, and I 100% sure that this trade will get in profits, it will close in profits. So let's wait for this. This is how you trade, guys. So let's move on to the next. We had a short signal over here on 8th of June, we marked it, shorting at this point, short signal taking the previous structures high, which is this 1.33%. well, this is getting huge, so I'll just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So my stop loss is here. Yeah, it's yet to hit the targets, on hold this trade. So let's move to the next, and yeah, another stop hit. it went down, but it just missed our trade by few points. All right, so our stop was hit over here, very bad. So this was a stop hit. So 2 stop hits as of now and 4 wins as of now. And this GBP USD, wait, why did I mark this? Why did I mark this? And this was like 1 to 2x. So this is some mistake, I guess. I don't know, I don't remember why I marked this trade. So okay, so in this we have a long signal, like we had a long signal over here. So this is a long. Let's see how this worked. Previous structure is low. That is why I tell you guys to, with the previous structure is low, bit take the confluence. See here we have few wicks which have given support. So if you see this point, like in here, perfect reversal from here. So that's why I tell you to take a maximum confluence you get. So see this, we have a wick here, we have a, so you can place your stop loss here, and our targets 84. So hope you guys understand how to place and manage your stop losses. So see here, that was a perfect reversal from that point at this wick point. So just try to see previous charts also, so that you get to know a strong support resistance and keep your targets according to that. Sorry, let's see on gold. Yeah, we had a long yesterday. Long here, stop loss, previous structure is low, which is this 0.96. Wow, that was a target hit. Perfect trade. Gold was a perfect trade. NZDCHF, we had a short signal. Previous structure is high. As it is very huge, we can place our stop loss like this. So this trade is still open, it's not closed yet, but we are in profits. So let's move to next. I'll just skip guys because the video is getting longer. USD CAD, so we had a fresh long over here. So longing here, stop loss, previous structure is low, 0.88. So this is our targets for this trade, and let's wait for this to get completed. It's in a loss, but our stop is not hit yet, so let's wait for this trade to complete. USD CHF, I'll just make, so we shorted here on like 8th of June in my previous video. We took a short out here, targets 0.66%. So this was our target hit, so perfect trade. And again, one second, So targets were hit here, so we have a fresh short signal, guys. You can take if you want to. USD CHF, we have a short signal waiting for this candle close. So if this closes in red, you can take this shot. And good thing is we also have a bear flag over here, which got printed here. Bear flag, bear flag. So it's in a continuation for continuous fall. USD CHF. And yeah, we took a shot on CHF long back. I'll just show you guys. So we took a shot over here at this point. My targets were, first targets were this one, and hopefully it is going for our second targets, which is here. So it's about to hit our second targets. Alright, so that's good. GBP AUD, we have a long here, so I'll take this 9th June. Yeah, this was the perfect. Longing here, stop loss previous structures low, which is this maximum low points 0.44, and this was target hit trade. So that's a perfect trade. And now we are waiting for the next trade to get, like waiting for a short signal, hopefully, because trend meter is already turned red, all three bars red. So waiting for a short signal to take a trade. So yeah, Euro CAD, we had a long here. So we had a long signal over here at this point of time, taking a long. Stop loss previous structure is low, either this or this. We'll take this 0.79. so this trade is open right now, so we'll come back tomorrow to see. So hopefully you guys understand the strategy. So if you want to buy these indicators, just go to my link, purchase link, you will find in the description. Just add to cart, check out, and you can PayPal me or pay via credit card. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. We'll come back tomorrow to see the results of the trade setups. All the best.